Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Instant Pot green beans with bacon. Let's begin. We have here 4 cups of green beans, and all you have to do is just cut off the ends. And there we go. Next we're gonna need 6 strips of bacon. We're using Jimmy Bean's hickory smoked bacon. There you go, we have 6 strips of bacon. We're going to take the bacon and cut it into strips. Okay, we have the bacon all sliced up, and now we're going to cook the green beans. We're going to put the trivet in. And we're going to add a cup of water. And now we're going to add 4 cups of green beans. Okay, we have the 4 cups of green beans in. This is what it looks like before we close it up. Okay, we're gonna close it up. And it's in a locking position. We're gonna push pressure cook on high pressure for 0 minutes. We're gonna let it preheat, and we'll be back. We're basically using the preheating process to cook the green beans, and we'll be back once the timer is started for 0 minutes. Okay, the red pin has gone up. And now we're waiting for the timer to start for 0 minutes. And once the timer has started for 0 minutes, we're going to release the pressure. Okay, it has hit 0 minutes. And now we're going to release the pressure. The red pin has dropped back down. That means safe to open. It's looking good. Let's pick it up. Okay, we removed all the green beans. We're going to take out the trivet. Next, we're going to remove the remaining water. Okay, we removed the remaining water. The next thing what we're going to do is turn it on saute mode. We're going to push cancel. And then we're going to push saute. And we're going to let it heat up first. Okay, the Instant Pot is fully heated up on saute mode. Now we're going to add the bacon. We don't need to add all because bacon has a lot of fat in it. Spread the bacon out. Okay, we're going to move them around a little bit. We want to cook the bacon so that it's somewhat crispy. Okay, the bacon looks done. And we're going to add the green beans. We're going to add the 4 cups of green beans back in. Stir it all up. We're going to also add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir everything all up. Smells good. Okay, we're done. We're going to turn off the saute mode. We're going to push cancel. And now we're going to put it on a plate. Okay, this is what we have today, Instant Pot green beans with bacon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.